The ones who doubted me, they kept jumping from one mentor to the next, but kept making the same mistakes. And you see, at some point, you gotta realize that if nothing's changing, maybe it's not the strategy. Maybe it's you. Because I've been using the same strategies for over a decade now. Still consistent and still dominating. Yeah, I had to refine it a little bit, tweak it a little bit for the US 30, but I'm getting the same results. And so are my students. And you see, now that I'm putting more energy into showing their results, I mean, these students are winning on the US 30, which happens to be the same instrument that so many people ran away from or just switched markets totally. But you see, this is what happens when you master our trading framework. Because you see, it's a step-by-step system that just works. And now, the entire world is watching it in action. So I want to say shout out to those who believed in me early on and you guys stuck with me. Because they're the ones who are reaping the real reward.